Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wow, this is a really nice Stratus. So we're going to take a look at a 2026 Venture Stratus, model number 262VFK. So let's get started. The length on this Stratus is 31 feet 11 inches. I can just call it 32.
They could call it 32, yes.
Well, anyway. Dry weight is 7,170. Hitch weight is 1,050 with a GVWR of 9,325.
Yes, guys. So for those who may or may not know, Venture parent company is GVWR Manufacturing.
Oh.
So we're going to start right up here. You are going to have this fancy smancy BAL stabilizing system.
Oh man, this is awesome.
It's really nice. Of course, your propane tanks will go behind this cover and your batteries will mount right back there. Now, this is going to be a front kitchen model, so you're not going to have storage at the front, but that's okay because we'll show you something else.
Ooh.
Yeah, you are going to have a dump area here. It is under the slide.
Ooh.
So might want to keep that in mind. Make sure you hook that up before you run your slide out. So yeah, you do have the exact suspension system in it. You're crawling around under there.
Well, I'm seeing what this is. I don't know what that is.
Huh. Well, we will have to figure that out. But as I was saying, because this is a front kitchen model, you don't have storage at the front, but you're going to have some storage at the back. Now this is your first storage on the outside. This is going to be under your bed. So this would actually be a nice spot for your hoses and stuff. And while he's still being perplexed, I'll show you the other
here's
side.
here's what I've come up with. I'm just going to stop you. Sewage holding tank. Is that going to be your pool on the frame back there?
Well, that's what it looks like.
Wow.
Okay, that might be a little difficult to get to.
Wow.
All right, back to our rat killing. So, your storage on this one is actually going to be at the back. So you do have actually really a good storage area back here. And we may have a glare when I come back here, so if we do, I apologize. But you are going to have a ladder to access your roof. Your spare is back here. And we have a tractor pulling a fifth wheel going by.
Well, I'm glad we done that one.
All right, not a receiver hitch on this one, so you just have your spare back here. And then this is going to be the other side of that pasture. And you'll see that there is a door right there. And we're going to show you that from the inside because it's really kind of neat.
Your quick connect.
Yeah, your quick connect is going to be right down here at the back. You do have two entry doors for this one. And you are going to have a 20-foot power awning. Now, if you want to bring a TV out, your cable antenna hookup is there with some power. And we are going to go into the front door because this is going to be like your main
Tankless water heater. Don't leave that out.
right there.
Man, they give you solid steps on both doors.
Yes, which is really nice. Alright, here we are. Quick look around.
Cool.
This is a really nice floor plan. So we're going to show you this
Holy
gantry
moly.
right here, which is deep. I mean, you can walk into it. So you've got storage shelves, you've got hooks up here, and if you notice down here, it is prepped for a washer and dryer. So if you would like for this to be your laundry closet, it can be done.
That's sharp.
It is very nice. Alright, right here, as you come in, you're going to have a space down here for your shoes. And then you've got storage underneath this little bar. Now, if it were me, I would probably add a couple of little small bar stools right here, just to have some additional seating. You're not going to have solid surface in this. It does kind of help keep the weight down. But really nice countertops. Good storage up here. Smaller microwave. Something that we have pointed out many, many times. Venture RV is going to give you a cutting board in all of their units. You do have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
A little bitty oven.
And then you've got this cabinet over here that can be accessed also from the front. Storage across the top. Now, because this is a front kitchen, you have some massive countertops up here. So you've got all kinds of storage back in, counter space back into the corner. USB on that side, power.
Little spice rack.
Yeah. And then you got power on this side, so you can put your coffee pot, your Instapot, your
Pot.
toaster oven, whatever you want. Anyways. Great spot down here for a garbage can. I would modify that and do a pull out. That's just me. 3 drawers over here. And now Venture is going to put the vents in the floor, but they give you these newer vents, so you can't get as much dog hair down in there.
Okay.
Over here in your slide, you're going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge with the fridge at the top and the freezer at the bottom.
I thought it was going to pull out, but it...
No, it's got a door.
Oh,
That's
it's pretty cool.
I like that.
Okay.
And then next to that is going to be your pantry area.
Ah.
So, wow. And it has adjustable shelves. So, really great area there. Finishing out this slide is going to be your theater seating. Of course, it's going to recline on both sides. You have a pull-down armrest. And then power and USB and C charging.
Yeah.
Big window back there.
Blackout shades.
Yes. Those are important. And then when you turn around and have a seat on this entertainment center, you are going to be looking directly at your 40? That's bigger than a 40.
No, that is a 40.
That is a 40.
Sorry.
Wow. I guess it's just because I'm sitting at a different angle. But right above it is going to be your AC unit. Then you've got some storage area here, open. And then you got a couple of little cabinets. And yeah, those look like the cabinets under ours.
Yep.
Except that our doors actually touch, which is kind of weird. Electric fireplace, and then a spot down here for some shoes.
Bluetooth speaker.
Yes, very nice. And your controls are back here, but you still have plenty of room to get your hand back there. And the TV does kind of swivel a little bit to both sides.
Yeah.
All right. Now we're going to have a pass-through bath, which some people love, some people hate. We know it's a love-hate relationship. But
Not me and you.
no, we love ours.
Okay.
Yeah, no, ours is.
No, I was thinking me and you.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Let me just...
I've put up with you for 30 years, so I guess we're
Oh.
good. So this one's going to have a curtain instead of a door. Do have a skylight up there, so at 6 feet, yeah. If you're much more than 6 feet, you might have to crouch a little bit. But
Well, it is a 30 by 36, so there you
Yes.
go.
You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet here. It's a little bit at an angle, so you've got some great leg room here in front of it. That's how much space you've got there. Nice mirrored medicine cabinet in the corner. Stainless steel sink. You do have some pretty decent area around it. Light switch. I love that they give you a little night light there. And that's your water heater control, right?
Yep.
Yes, right there. Storage there. A little bit of open space here.
Cool.
Now we can't give this one the golden plunger because there's no linen storage in there. but it is big enough that two people can pass without completely running over each other. Now this bedroom, this is where Venture shines, I think, is because their bedrooms are always amazing. This one's going to have a queen size bed on the slide, storage up above. You do have a couple of shelves on each side, and you do have lights under there. So very nice.
I don't know if a CPAP would go up there, but I don't know. Do you want a CPAP above your head?
I don't think it's supposed to go above your head from
I
what
don't know.
I've heard. But you do have a ledge over here. So let's just go on around this way. They do give you a hook right up there. And this is going to give you a 27-inch TV already mounted in place. This, I am assuming that you could use as your linen closet. I have not seen this little configuration in a bedroom before, but I kind of like it. So, yeah, it would work. Your fuses are going to be down below, and then, of course, here is your second door. These second doors come in really handy when you're trying to get everything ready. But because this is a queen bed on a slide, look how much floor space you have in here. This is just amazing.
Oh, well, there's your bars.
You do have bar stools. All right.
Well, there you go.
I don't have to go find my own.
Nope.
I like that. So, back here in this corner, you're going to have a wardrobe. It's got a shelf at the top, and then a hanging bar down here. And then they give you this like little daybed area. So this is going to be great if you have pets that like to sleep in the room with you, or smaller kids. And then here is that door that we showed you from the pass-through storage, so you can access things both ways. Okay.
But
I am loving this daybed thing.
But they give you,
Yes, huge window there, huge window there.
goodness.
So that is amazing. But we're not quite finished. You still have this dresser down here that we haven't looked at yet. So you're going to have 6 drawers in it. And there is shoe storage underneath, and then the top lifts for some hidden storage.
Cool.
We do have a second AC unit in this bedroom. So, alright, I'm going to say this awesome bedroom makes up for not having a linen closet in the bathroom. This one's it's good, y'all.
All right, everybody. If you like this Venture travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.